Glad to have you here. Donut, first donut of the day. Want donut? There you go. Donut? There you go.
There you go.
Donut?
Thank you.
You're gonna get a golden ticket, $250 scholarship.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. There it is right there. Look, that's the golden ticket. But you're going to do great things.
Thank you.
And we're so excited you're a student here. Well, thanks for being at Wake Tech.
Thank you for
And congratulations on the golden ticket.
Thank you.
We're proud of you.
When he said that, I thought it was like, I thought he was joking or something. I don't know, because I didn't think it was really real. It felt great that they really give good opportunities to people who try hard and they show out. So yeah, really grateful. You never know what you'll get if you just show up, you know?
So in there is a $250 scholarship.
All right.
So that's a good way to start the day, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you. Really made my day. Thank you.
We're glad to have you here.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I feel great, especially being my first day. Really feels great being here.
You sure?
Oh, absolutely.
Grab and go. Grab and go. Good for you. Good for you.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Maria.
Maria, good to see you. Sure thing. Well, it's good to have you here. What are you studying? Is this your first day?
It is.
Ah, well, that's exciting. Good to see you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Elena, what are you studying? Good to see you. Yeah, you want that donut. How about donut? Last semester, first day. Yeah, there you go. Home stretch. What's your name?
Kaspa.
You're almost there. First respiratory therapy. Boy, there's a napkin right behind me. Donut? Go for it. Yeah, all right. Donut? What's your name?
Shirley.
Well, we're glad you're here. Yeah.
Good day.
Donut, 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 donut. Donut.
To start wrong.
How are you? Good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Good to
Thank
see you, buddy. How's it been going, Talon?
Going good. It's going good.